Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic laminar flow or viscous flow. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2014 Civil Engineering Set 2, question number 45 for 2 marks. With reference to a standard Cartesian coordinate xy plane, the parabolic velocity distribution profile of fully developed laminar flow in x direction between two parallel, stationary and identical plates that are separated by distance h is given by the expression u is equal to minus h square by 8 mu dp by dx 1 minus 4y by h whole square. In this equation, y equal to 0 axis lies equidistant between the plates at a distance h by 2 from the two plates. Very important line. Look at this once again. In this equation, y equal to 0 axis lies equidistant between the plates at a distance h by 2 from the plates. So this is the diagram. P is the pressure variable and mu is dynamic viscosity. The maximum and average velocities are respectively. So look at this figure here. H is the distance between the two plates and this is the velocity profile. This is the parabolic velocity profile. And y equal to 0 axis lies equidistant from the two plates at a distance of h by 2, correct? And so question is find the maximum and average velocity. First of all, I'll write down the given data. I mean the equation u is equal to minus h square by 8 mu dp by dx into 1 minus 4y by h whole square. So when you write a small u here, it means this is the expression for the velocity at any point. That means it is also general velocity formula, general velocity equation, general equation. So you represent the velocity at any point inside the plate or between the two plates. That means if you want to find the velocity at any point, you just need to put the value of y, because your 8 mu dp by dx 4 everything is constant except your y, and that's why the velocity profile is parabolic, because the value of y is power of y is y square, so it's parabolic in nature. So we know that maximum velocity occurs at, look at this, maximum velocity occurs at the center. Maximum velocity occurs at the center, that is between the two plates, exactly between the two plates. So at y equal to 0, look at this condition, at y equal to 0 we are having u is equal to u max. At y equal to 0 we are having u equal to u max. So we are putting this condition in the given equation. When you put y equal to 0, look at this, when you put y equal to 0 in this equation, so this term will become 0. So u will be converting into u max, which is equal to minus h square by 8 mu dp by dx, correct, into 1 minus 0. So this is the part only remaining. So this is your u max meter per second. Now for the parallel plate velocity profile between the two parallel plates, we know the relation ratio of maximum velocity to average velocity is equal to 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5. Therefore u max, or you can say therefore what you have to find, u average. Therefore u average to, so u average is equal to, from this equation, 2 by 3 of u max. U average is equal to 2 by 3 of u max. Okay, so which option is correct? Option A only is the correct one, 2 by 3 of u max. Okay, along with the minus sign it is coming. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.